Welcome to today's tutorial on adding signatures in Google Docs. Whether you're signing a contract, approving a report, or simply adding a personal touch, knowing how to insert your signature is essential. In this video, we will cover 3 methods to add your signature seamlessly. Let's dive in. 1. Choose your signature location. Scroll to the section of the document where you'd like your signature to appear. 2. Drawing your signature. Click on Insert in the top menu, select Drawing and then choose New. In the pop-up interface, click the drop-down menu next to the line icon and select Scribble. Use your mouse or touchscreen to draw your digital signature. Click Save and Close when you're done. 3. Adjust signature placement. Your signature will likely appear in the wrong place initially. Left-click your signature image and select In front of text. Drag and drop your signature to the desired location. Congratulations! You've learned how to add your signature to Google Docs. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.